everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be revealing the teaser of a very new project, Brigade Altius by Brigade Group, which is very newly launched luxury segment project from Brigade Group located in Sholinganallur, Chennai. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like location, project overview, amenities, area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. Starting with the project overview, Brigade Altius will be constructed on 6.61 acres land area with 3 towers of 2 basements plus tilt plus 3-level parking plus 40 floors having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK and duplex premium residences. This project is located right on OMR Road, Sholinganallur, southern part of Chennai.
Elcott ITSEZ is at a distance of 1 km, Wipro is at a distance of 2 km, Cognizant is at a distance of 2 km, Accenture Park is at a distance of 2 km.
And many reputed schools and hospitals within 4 km distance. Project location is very much ideal for both end use and investment purpose. One can get many day-to-day use, brand stores and restaurants within reachable distance from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool, gym, kids play area, play court, yoga lawn, additional rooftop and many more. Apart from all these, Brigade Group has brought an opportunity of having a ultra premium segment luxury apartment on OMR Road after WTC with serene green view without compromising in quality and space. And additionally, all the apartments will be Vastu compliant flats without any common walls. Last part will be this project comes right at the heart of the major IT hubs and major commercial developments. Talking about the area of the apartments, 3 BHK plus 2T built area is 726 to 755 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3T built area is 1857 to 2132 square feet. 3.5 BHK ranges from 2109 to 2207 square feet. And 4.5 BHK of 2545 to 2577 square feet. And duplex apartments 4000 square feet and above. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Spot expression of interest is open. Client can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain the complete project overview along with the booking process. They will also share the pricing and payment schemes. The sales team will also help with banking options and then if the client likes it, they can book by paying EOI and take unit allotment. Also, they will have discount prices for EOI customers. So everyone, this was the teaser of Brigade Altius located on Sholinganallur, OMR Road, Chennai. If you have any queries related to project like brochure, pricing, payment schemes or want to do a site visit, clients can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Our NRI clients can also contact us on the same link. At last, before going, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey.